Hi friends, welcome to Architect. Friends, in this video I will talk about how to make TCS medical certificate, where to get the TCS medical certificate form, where to download the form, and which doctor should you get it done. Friends, watch the full video for this, otherwise you may face problem at the time of onboarding. So friends, before watching the video, please subscribe the channel, because here I put all the information related to TCS Ibegin portal. So friends, first let's talk about where to download the format of medical certificate. So friend, for this you have to go to the TCS Ibegin portal, log in there, and you can see the onboarding hub on the left side. So friends, now click on the onboarding hub, then you will see many options there, but you have to come to the bottom where you will find the offline form written. Click on it, then you can see that medical certificate of fitness will be showing at the bottom, and on the left side there will be two options are showing. First is print and second is download. So friends, first of all you click on download and download the form, and after that take a print out of it. Let's tell how to fill the form. Friends, you can see that this form has opened in front of you, in which you can see first it is written above to fill by candidate, so you have to fill it. So let's go ahead friends, and first of all you fill your first name, then your last name, after that gender, date of birth, contact number, and then your blood group. After filling all this, you have to take a passport size photo and paste it in the box on the right side. But before that, you read what is written on it. Please affix a passport size photo here and get it attested by consulting doctor. So you have to keep in mind that when you go to the doctor to get medical certificate, do not forget to get it attested on photo. Then now proceed to candidate medical history. But here you can see that here you have been asked 12 questions. So read all the question one by one and tick yes or no. So if you have any problem, any question, then you can ask in comment box. And then let's go ahead friends. Candidate's declaration, you read it completely and sign below and put the date on left side. And friends, you can see below what is written. It is very important. So friends, I would have read it and told you. Yes friends, it is written here that the candidate need to ensure that a legally qualified and registered medical practitioner with minimum qualification as MBBS. So friends, here this told the doctor you medical certificate is being made, doctors should be registered and should also be MBBS and should also be a medical practitioner. So you should see all this when you go to the doctor to get medical. So friends, let's go ahead. Then friends, whatever work is ahead, it is of doctor, so you do not have to do anything further. Form will be filled by doctor, and yes, doctor signed along with doctor seal should also be on the form. So friends, the video has become very long, so let's end the video here. Thank you.
By any query related to TCS Ibegin portal, feel free to ask in a comment box, and because I check comment box every time, and also join the WhatsApp group and Telegram group. And friends, please like and subscribe my channel for more updates. And